next exercise is called So Knotty. All right, you need a prop of some kind. It can be anything that you can tie on the slack line. You see here I have some scarves. You can use some old pieces of webbing. You can use a belt. You can use a dog leash. Anything. Get creative. Moving on to progression 1. Progression 1, you're just going to take these 3 objects and tie them on to the slack line. Nice soft knot. Don't make it too hard. Just nice single knot. One by the first anchor point. One in the middle. And one at the far anchor point. Once you got those, you're ready to begin your progression 1. Now with all these progressions, there'll be 3. You have 2 options, option A and option B. Option A will be the easier option, which is going to be dropping into drop knee. Option B will be harder, which is maintaining both feet on the line. I'll demo that once in the first progression, and then you can move forward as you see fit. Come up onto the line. As I said, option A, drop down into a drop knee position to untie the item. Standing back up, if you can, place the item somewhere on your body. I'm going to tuck it into my shorts here and keep moving. Option B, the harder variation, maintaining both feet on the line, not dropping into a drop knee, and retrieving the item. It's going to be a little bit harder. So you have option A or option B to apply to all 3 progressions. You choose. Start with A and work your way up to B. Option A again. Boom. That's progression 1. Progression 2, you can leave those tucked because we're going to put them right back on. Starting close to an anchor point. Option A. Tying the items back onto the line. One close to the anchor point. One near the middle section of the line. What I do here is I take it underneath, and then it allows my hands to still move, so I have a little flexibility in my balance. And then I just do a quick knot, focusing, putting the weight kind of back with the hips over the shin here. Then we're going to stand back up, continuing across to tie on the final item, which I lost. So I got to run back and get it. Pretend you didn't see that. Up. Here we are, the final station. Dropping down. And tying. Yeah. That's progression 2. Moving on to progression 3. You can take these right back off. Position them in different spots of the shorts so you don't pull them out when you pull one out. Yes, we learn lessons as we go here. Final progression is you're going to walk the line, tying the items, staying on the line, coming back and untying the items, all in one step. So, coming up. Try to move through these quickly. 1. Again, how I'm doing it here is I'm holding it by the far end of the item, dropping down, swooshing the item underneath, grabbing it from end to end so I can still balance, and then focusing my weight, dropping it back over my shin, tying the item. Boom, stand back up. untie the items. So you're combining progressions 1 and 2. If you want to make this harder, again, try progression B. If you still want to make it harder, you can just add more items. So instead of 3 items I'm tying on and taking off, make it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's up to you. But if anybody does 10 items, I want you to send me a video so I can feature you on our Instagram. So this is progression 3. Tying them down and taking them off. Getting so knotty. Finish videos. Peace.